Well, this is an '05 Ford F150. We got a problem today. The windows won't roll down, none of them. But the door locks still work. But that won't roll down. Well, the mirrors work. Yeah, the mirrors still work. But all this is dead. Here, I'll push this one. And that one don't go down. So we got to fix that today. It's starting to get annoying. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. And we got to figure out why it won't work. There's not really much on the internet about it, so I figured I'd make a video real quick about it. 04, 05, any of these body styles here. So this is a layered edition, but it happens on all of them. But we'll get into it, and I'll let you know what I find, what I discover, and how to fix it. Okay, first things first. Don't do like I did. I cut this because I got mad at it. So don't do that. But here's ground wire coming through. You can see right there it's broke off. Broke out of that connector. Snapped off. That's what I figured. The connector is no good. Pulled it apart. So connect that back up. We'll be good to go. And get our boot back in there. That's the problem. You get to checking around and you'll see that it's a problem with these trucks after you find out what the problem is. You Google search the ground and it's everywhere. If you don't know it's the ground and you Google search the light or the window's not working, you never figure it out. They don't tell you nothing. But as soon as you mention the ground, everybody wants to say they know what's going on. So if the windows are not working, check this ground wire here. You can do that by sliding that boot either way. Just unhooking the boot and sliding it out of the way. But I got too impatient for that and just ripped it apart. So let me get it back together and I'll let you see the final product. So it is working. You will see what we did to remedy the problem here. But it gets to be, back on there, it gets to be a pain when your windows don't work. Roll that one back up. It's a very easy fix. If you know what you're looking for, you can figure it out real easy. You just have to look in that cluster of wires down there coming out of the door, and where these doors open and close, open and close, open and close, they break the ground wire in half. Once you figure all that out, you can figure out that all you need to do is cut it and splice it back together. If you can find the break. If you grab a hold of that ground wire and pull on it, it'll be like a rubber band wherever it's broke, because you're pulling on just the plastic housing itself and you're not pulling on the actual copper wire that's in there. And that will tell you where it's broke. And once you find that little spot, you just cut it, splice it back, and put a butt connector on it, or however you want to fix it. Solder it back together, tape it off, or whatever. In this instance, a butt connector is probably going to be the best, because it's in a twist point there, and it will move that point away from that area. So I'm going to try a butt connector just because I've got them. And I think it'll last longer than just twisting the wires together and trying to solder it. but I could be wrong. We'll see. I don't plan on getting rid of the truck no time soon. It does have a few miles on it, as you can see there. Got a few miles, but that don't matter. If you know how to fix stuff, miles don't mean anything. But we'll see you on the next one. Please comment, rate, and subscribe to me if you haven't already. We're trying to grow the channel here, and we'll tell you little sneak peeks and tricks and stuff that mechanics use all the time. And we also work on houses and buildings and farm related items and just a normal life here. We're working on a little bit of everything. That's how you get ahead in life. And y'all give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll show you some more cool things.
Another problem we've been having with the truck is air conditioning. It's wanting to kick off. It'll run about 20 minutes to kick off. Run about 15 minutes to kick off. So, get on that line there and we'll see what kind of pressure we got. It's actually looking pretty good. Put the ball in there. It's really low there. So, let's see if we can jump it up. I got a can of Freon, small can. Right down in through here somewhere, the compressor's going to kick off. And then pressure obviously will run up 20 pounds there. For phone of caliente agua.
Very hot.
Get water cold and put it in the microwave.
Garrafón.
For a kiwi. For the agua. He said, where can he get hot water? And he's got a microwave in there that he heats his food up every day. I'll show you a little trick as soon as I get the hot water over here. I'm down there now. Basically what's happening here, the air compressor is kicking on and it's condensing this gas into a solid, basically. You can see it back here, it's starting to try to freeze up. When it freezes up out here, back here, it starts to freeze up. When it freezes up, the air conditioner kicks up because it's gas out here instead of in there. And it will do that when, because it basically starts to a solid out here and damn line. It's supposed to be turned to a solid inside, and then the fan blows over it, which heats it up, which kicks it back out here to compress it again, so on and so forth. There's no fan out here to heat it up, basically. And it's dipping down to almost 20 there. So we're real low. But I'll get some more in it. I I've got another can here. I'll get some more in it here in just a second and let you see what happens. That was nice when you put a fresh can on there. Put the pegs out real quick. Just coming down in a second. I need to keep it somewhere in the green. I like to hold them about 40 pounds, but probably won't hold that high. This old truck. And I'm still waiting on hot water. Basically, this can will freeze. It's freezing the way it is. This can will freeze, and what you do, put hot water in it. Put that can in hot water, and it'll heat up the can, which will heat up the gas, which will make more pressure, which will make it go in a lot quicker. You can empty a can in a matter of seconds instead of sitting here shaking it and playing with it. Trying to get the top of the can. The top of the can stays warm. So basically you're shaking that stuff up, trying to get it up here to get it warm again to fall back to make all this happen. And like it's down there. We got it a little higher. It's about 27, 28. And we still got 3/4 of the can here. So we'll probably make it happen with this one. If it hasn't froze off inside yet, stopped working altogether, we'll check. I've got it set on 60. It's pumping pretty good in here. Let me turn the fan speed up. Got it on auto, but we'll run the fan speed up there. It's cold. It rains, so it ain't freezing. There we go. We jumped it up by doing that. Up to 30, going up a little bit. See if you can grind that off real quick. That's not frozen up anymore because I got the fan speed up, which is making it dry off back there a lot faster. We're up to about 40, not 30, 37 maybe. And we still got 3/4 of the can. We'll see what happens. Let's go over here and feel it again, see if it's kicked off on. Still blowing pretty cold. I don't think it's 60 degrees cold. It's cold. But it's only like maybe, couldn't tell me. It's probably 70 out here maybe. It says it's 62 outside. I don't think that's a little off. Feels like maybe 70. Maybe 39, 38, 39. He's going to bring me scalding hot water where I can't even hold it to be water. He's been in there for like 10 minutes with a microwave on. Okay, so we got some hot water here. Not extremely hot. Let's see if we can watch this gauge. See the gauge jump up. It's going to start freezing in here, and as it freezes here, it's going to cool that water down, and it's going to bring that back down. But we jumped up there 4 or 5 pounds real quick. Take it out and shake it a little bit, and then jump up some more, put it back in, and now we're up a little more. And that's a way to get your pressure up a lot quicker.